My name is James Wright. I'm the Managing Director of Aber Falls Whisky Distillery in North Wales. We're the first whisky distillery for over 100 years, and we're going to be here for another 100 years. We've got over 50 staff, and we're looking to expand more. We've built a bottling hall, we have a warehouse, and the bottling hall staff and the tank farm will require more staff, and we're looking to employ those very soon, right through to tour guides. We also have operational jobs, learning how to distill, so you're learning all the fundamentals about brewing and distilling. From this, we are also very important that we train our staff in the correct way so they can actually progress through their career. We're part of a bigger group, so this affords them opportunities to actually channel their career and develop as they go along, not just on a Welsh but a UK level, but also international level. So what's really important for our staff? The number one priority for me is having fun. It's really about engaging the staff and then working out what your gaps are and how we actually develop you to actually make you the best for the business and also for your career path. So when you come to Aber Falls and work for us, we really sit down with you, have a very clear appraisal scheme, and we actually look at where your gaps are and where you want to develop. My two team leaders that actually run the distillery now literally came from local lads who literally have gone up through apprenticeship onto distillery operators, and we're putting them through all their qualifications. So they'll be just as qualified as somebody out of Heriot-Watt, but they've had 4 years experience working on the shop floor, so it makes them a valuable asset to the distillery. This also gives them the opportunity to expand their career knowledge and actually move on, and then hopefully one day come back. These are highly skilled jobs and give you really good market value and good opportunities in the future. So the most important thing to me in the business is team. When you come to Aber Falls, it's really about the effort you put in is what you get out. I look when I employ people as look at it as a project, not just a job. This is about how it fits into your career path. Don't look at hospitality as just a bar job. Behind the scenes, it's not just about producing a bottle of whiskey, but it's also how you actually get that bottle of whiskey on the shelf. So whether that's sales, whether that's marketing, whether that's manufacturing or hospitality, they're all integrated with each other.